This is the step-by-step tutorial of Petit Bizoo's favorite art kits, including the Armenia Pomegranate Jar art kit. 100% of the proceeds will be donated to Armenia Fund. In this kit, you will receive a mason jar, glue, paint, glitter paint, a piece of paper, paper towels, aluminum foil, and a paintbrush. You will also need scissors. Begin by removing the lid from the jar. Open up the aluminum foil and fold it into a dome shape. Attach it to the top of the lid with a little bit of glue. This will be the base of your pomegranate. Begin by prepping your paper towel by cutting them into strips and setting them aside for when we do the paper mache. Next, taking the piece of paper, you're going to want to draw a triangular shaped design, sort of like a chevron, and you want to cut off the ends. This is going to be the top of the pomegranate. Roll it into a circle, and then you're going to want to attach it to the top of the pomegranate. Now it is time to begin the paper mache process. Take your strips, open them flat, dip them into the glue, and then lay them all over the top of the jar lid. You're going to want to cover everything from the base to the very tip top of the paper that you had just cut into the shape of the pomegranate top. Don't forget to stuff a little bit extra into the tip so all of the aluminum is covered. Allow this to fully dry. Once it is fully dried, you're going to take your scissors and cut out the shape of the top of the pomegranate if it got covered with any paper mache paper towels. The shape of the pomegranate is prominent again. You're going to begin by covering the whole thing in red paint. To get more depth in your color, you can cover it with some red glitter paint that is also included in your kit. Once it has fully dried, you can take the ribbon and tie it around the base of the jar lid, and then reattach the lid to the mason jar. Fill it with all of your favorite candy and put it out to display. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram for more creative art ideas.